We've got a showstopper that's blooming in our garden today that I wanted to talk to you about. This is Spigelia marilandica, or also called Indian pink. You can see that it has these beautiful one-sided cymes that have these red trumpet flowers on them. And when they bloom open, burst open to make this yellow star shape. And what's nice about these flowers is they're pretty long blooming flowers. They'll bloom from the end of May through June. And because of that, they're actually really readily available as a nursery plant that you can buy. They are, however, native to Oklahoma, but you're more likely to find them on eastern Oklahoma than western Oklahoma because they really prefer heavy shade and rich, moist, organic soil. Even when this plant isn't blooming, it forms this nice, about 1.5 foot tall, almost like a shrub feel, even though it is a perennial that regrows from the ground, with these nice glossy leaves. This is the 2018 Oklahoma Proven Perennial of the Year and is hardy from zones 5 to 9.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.